Welcome back, everyone. Hey, have you prepared for spring? Well, if you haven't, no worries, because joining us is Mike, and it is time for Trending with Signature Mike. Hey!
How are you?
I'm doing well. You know, I'm so excited about spring and the change of weather.
It changes a lot of things. Diet, our decorating, our fashion.
Yes.
Spring, we renew ourselves.
When I just feel like it puts a pep in everybody's step. Everyone gets excited.
It does.
It's no longer gloomy.
That's right. So with that said, there's a lot of color with design.
Right.
As there is with fashion.
Exactly.
Too.
And so talk to us about new spring trends. How can we easily swap things out?
You know, pillows are, I love pillows, as you know, and pillows are a great way to swap out some things, put away some of your darker pillows, bring in some color.
Right.
We're doing a lot
That one's gorgeous.
Look how textural it is, but it's solid, so it makes a statement.
Well, and speaking of pillows, I have to mention, because this is something you do, you have pillows, but you also custom make them.
I've made some on your show before, remember?
Right, and so you can make something for anyone, any style, any colors they like, which is really incredible.
That's right. I pair a lot of them up with things like this that are textural.
Right, so those are gorgeous.
Gives it a lot of pop, but I love the shags and the knots.
And like you said, it's something that's easy to do. You don't have to change out the big furniture pieces, just swap out some pillows, add some color.
That's right.
Right?
And what would spring be without floral?
Exactly. Look at all these gorgeous pieces.
So everything you're looking at, except for these, everything is false. You know, some of this was a preserved boxwood. Okay. And so it was real. And it looks real, but you don't have to water it.
Are you serious?
You have to spritz it with a little water just to keep it moist.
I can't believe that it was real.
Summer,
so that's what makes it look even more real, I guess.
Exactly, yeah. And they come in a variety of sizes. We have some of these, and you can layer them, you know, on some books.
Right.
Make that really nice. Bring in a few accessories. Birds and flowers in the spring.
Of course.
Always go hand in hand. So, you know, just changing some things maybe on your coffee table or on your kitchen counter. Things like that.
And so this is cool. I love how you piece things together. Now, this is something, guys, if you don't have a lot of experience with, that's okay. You can leave it up to Mike to kind of decide those things.
I love to layer things in different heights. You know, a lot of times you just put something out on a table and you think you're done. Yeah, but it's fun to create some different heights and
add
depths
some dimension and depth, and it makes the whole thing just so much different, and it's really just, it's simple.
It is. I love this tropical guy. You know, tropical plants feel kind of rubbery anyway, so because it's rubber, it looks real.
Right,
looks really real. And the orchids are really great, and that looks just like an orchid you'd pick up at your grocery store.
I love orchids.
And the succulents are really popular, and again, because they're kind of rubbery, they look real because
and I have to tell you, this one right here, I love this.
It's my favorite. So this is just moss. It's all about texture. This can sit flat on your table, but it also can hang, and you can do a group of these and hang them on a wall.
Oh, I would have never thought of that.
How great is that?
Oh my gosh, I would have never thought of that. Okay, and so tell me about if you really want to take your game to the next level. I know that you always do that, and so
let's do something fresh.
Okay.
You know, so one thing, we can take some fresh fruit. We can take limes and lemons and oranges and put in some water. You know, we do this a lot at Christmas time with cranberries, that kind of thing. But you just add some color into the water, and what this is going to do, it helps mask the stems of the floral we're going to put in there as well.
Well, it's just a great way to dress that up, right? It looks so pretty.
Isn't that fun?
And it really doesn't take that much time to do it.
It really doesn't.
So you're just cutting up a few lemons. You can kind of choose what you want.
You can. You know, we've talked about this before. These stems are a little tough today.
A little rough.
Yeah.
There you go. Work with us.
You know, when you buy flowers at the grocery, you know, it's not just about putting them in a container and being done with it. You have to play with them a little bit. So
kind of dress them up.
Exactly.
But I love these sunflowers.
Look at these great sunflowers.
So pretty. Talk about color and adding.
And look how it pops up the fresh fruit that's in the water.
Well, and you can really put as many as you want in here, right? So you're just kind of showing us, obviously, that this is what you can do to dress it up.
You can do a variety
of colors.
But
you can put as many as you want.
Absolutely. That's true. I thought this would be really nice and summery.
And what a cool way. People will walk in and be like, wow, where did you get those?
That's right.
I did them.
It just looks high end. You know, we need a little more water in here to bring some of that color up.
Well, and I've even seen where you can even put whole ones in there.
Absolutely,
right?
You could. Yeah, sure.
Well, Mike, this is all wonderful. I love having you, and as always, I look forward to having you again.
Always a blast. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much for being here.